Hey y'all, welcome back. I kind of did a little quick update. I put this snook in about 5 days ago, and so I just gotta look in there and check it out. I see they're bringing pollen in, so that's a good sign. And then my neighbors' fields, they have fields of just yellow flowers, just covering acres. So I'm hoping maybe that's what they're getting. So let's look in there. Welcome to Noah's Ark in Saw Homestead. I'm going off the grid. Yeah, I can see that. You can see. Oh, there's one with the big old thing of pollen. Oh, there's another one. Oh, they don't have big old bags of pollen on. Not sure how well you can see that, but let's crack it open. Okay, let's see here. Oh yeah, I got my feeder. So they're going in pretty good. Oh my gosh, what is that? What is happening? Oh, where do I set this down? Oh, what in the world? I guess they're building comb, but in the wrong way. Huh. I guess I'm going to have to take it. What in the world just happened? I think I see honey in there. I may have to just kind of take this. This is a play with it or something. I lost my smoke. Oh mercy! Come on, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see pollen in there. That's odd. Hopefully there's not a queen in here. Okay, they don't like that. Alright, I guess I can also check to see if they've gone on to any other frames that I have put in. Is there anything going on this one here? Okay, looks like they're kind of starting to work on the frame next to them. Alright, go ahead and put this on. Hopefully they won't try to come up here through here again. There we go. So playing with this again. Hopefully I don't have a queen on there. Yeah, look at all this fresh comb. I think the other side actually had some honey on it. Oh. Oh yeah, okay, I can definitely see some honey in there. Come on guys, get back into the thing over here. Oh yeah, let's see if some smoke can help. Oh, they didn't like that. No. Oh yeah, check this comb out. That's pretty cool. It's like pollen on this side, and then I can see all kinds of honey right here. All kinds of honey right here too. Oh yeah. I was dripping. Oh yeah, let's taste my first little bit of honey here. Oh man. Oh, like straight from the comb. Well, look, I come. Put the wax out together. But yeah, that's pretty good. It's softer. It's softer than I think it would have been. Or that other. I guess it's because it's so fresh. And then the wax just kind of puts itself together. I probably can feed that back to him, I guess. Okay, this piece of comb doesn't have any honey in it, but I heard that, or just read, the chickens actually get minerals from the comb. Let's see how well they like it here. Oh, we snatched that one. Oh man, they're going crazy over it. Oh man. But yeah, I made sure it didn't have any honey in it because I don't think they can have a lot of sugar. So, whew, they're liking it. Hey guys, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Maybe even leave a comment. These videos are for entertainment and inspirational purposes, only to inspire you. Have a blessed day.